Good morning, Pascack Valley. Welcome to a brand new episode of Pvtv.
I'm Waltarna, this is Javi Albert.
And today we bring you our very new Valentine's Day special. And what better way to start this episode than with the boy Ryan Giggs, who went out and spread some love and joy to the entire school. Let's see what you did, Giggs.
Name and grade?
David Martin, 9th grade.
So what's your best idea of a date? What's your ideal date?
Alright, so me and my girl, we're gonna fly to Papua New Guinea, like the country, and then we're gonna eat pot roast on a bridge.
What time?
Probably like 4:30 in the morning.
In the morning.
Yeah. I mean, I'm like a morning bird, so obviously I'll just do that.
What about sunset?
No.
Sunset is the most romantic time for a date.
Because sunrise, because it means your relationship is like sunrising instead of like, dying down. You know what I'm saying?
That's philosophical.
Yeah, I know.
I appreciate it, man. Go enjoy your salad. We over here with
Seamus Connor.
So Seamus, I got a question for you. What's a goated Valentine's Day candy?
I'm gonna say two things. I'm gonna say Reese's because I like Reese's, and and then I'll
Bruh.
Yeah. Name and grade?
Tyler Rican, 11th grade.
Alright, man. I'm gonna ask you a quick question. What is the best date you've ever been on?
I've never been on a date in my life.
You want me to ask you a different question?
Yeah.
Alright. What's the best candy for Valentine's Day?
Reese's peanut butter cups.
The small ones, big ones?
The heart-shaped ones.
Good answer. Alright, man. What is the worst date you've ever been on?
Probably when we went to like a restaurant and she's talking about something, pay for my meal, hold the door for me. Like, I ain't doing all that, bro. You know, so much work. You know what I'm talking about?
You know, as a man, we're supposed to save our money, and I appreciate that, man.
Yes, bro.
Name and grade.
Katie, I'm a freshman.
Avery, freshman.
Alright, y'all. What's a goated Valentine's Day candy?
Anything chocolate with like peanut butter too.
True fruit strawberries.
Yes, true fruit. Solid.
I don't think I've ever heard of that candy, Loki.
It's so good. It's like chocolate covered candy.
Yeah.
It's solid and frozen.
I'll take your word at it.
Yeah.
Wow, Giggs, I'm really feeling the love in the atmosphere now.
Do you think I can get a Valentine with my bird call?
Probably not, but that's why we got the boys Brad and Chad to go give some advice to our boy Max Yagan. I can't believe Brad and Chad are back for the third time. But anyway, let's run.
Hi, Max. Low-key, I just really need a date this year. I've been having trouble every year trying to get one. So that's why I hired Brad and Chad, gave them both 2 bands each, see if they could help me. I'm excited for this.
Yo!
What's good, guys? I'm Brad.
And I'm Chad. I graduated from last year and now I'm here.
And we've been called back to Pascack Valley to help an absolute chut. What's his name?
It's like Maximus
Candles, Desmus Meridius? What?
Snowflake or something, I don't know.
Snowfield? I don't even know, bro. But he's paying us 200 band to fix him up for a date for Valentine's Day.
Hey, we gonna make him look like the next Michael B. Jordan. So let's go on to the next thing. Alright, so we got this red hoodie and we gonna cover whatever that is, so. Alright, so next we got this A Plastic Plant varsity jacket, and I think it will go good with the red on this, so.
You think so?
Alright, to complete the fit, we got the hat.
Oh, okay.
And the hippo.
What?
Alright, this is the complete fit. How you feeling?
I'm gonna be honest, man. I don't want to question your authority. I'm paying you, I know, but this is really heavy on me.
Alright, man. All his questions will be answered in the next step with Brad.
Okay.
Since you were complaining like a little baby
ow.
about how heavy all this was, you're gonna have to drop and give me 10. You know, girls like a guy who's muscular,
Okay.
fit, you know, you gotta be athletic.
Do I have to do it with the hippo though?
With the hippo.
Why with the hippo?
With the hippo!
Okay, sure, I got it.
Pain does not exist in this dojo.
No sensei.
Fear does not exist in this dojo.
No sensei.
Weakness does not exist in this dojo.
No sensei.
All right, and that's good for now.
Oh!
Now to Chad with the next step.
All right, step number 3. We gonna teach him how to send a perfect text to his future Valentines.
I'm kind of sweaty though. Can I take this off?
Hey, yo, cut. Resume. All right, so he's gonna send a text to his Valentines and he's gotta keep it calm, cool, and collective.
Is this a real person?
Of course it is. This is your future Valentine. So you want him to send him something that's gonna make them feel attracted to you.
Okay. Do you watch Fuzi?
Nah,
No?
nah.
Do you mess with Hemi?
Have you never talked to a woman in your life?
Just my mom, I told you that.
Okay,
Oh, wait. Wanna see George?
George, who's George? Alright, now you getting this.
Nice.
You getting this. It's Lays.
All right.
Alright, back to Brad.
And now, for this step, I'm gonna teach him some lessons on how to be an alpha male. Look at there with me, son.
I look fat.
That's that self-hate, that self-doubt that they want you to feel, bro. They want you to feel that.
But like, you put me in the 2 layers of thick clothing.
Right? First lesson?
Yeah.
You gotta be a lone wolf, dude.
Yep.
You gotta be on your own. You gotta focus on yourself first, you know? Focus on yourself. Improve yourself before you improve everyone else.
What about my friends? What about JB?
Who cares about JB, bro?
What?
You gotta focus on you first and then JB.
Okay.
The second piece of how to be an alpha male, you gotta be nonchalant about every single thing, dude.
Why? What if I'm like really happy or sad about something?
No.
No? Oh.
No. You gotta be nonchalant because that's cool. That's being cool.
What if I like get a good grade on a test?
Doesn't matter.
No?
Because you're cool.
Okay.
Nonchalant.
Yeah.
And those were the final steps for my boy, Max. Max, what is it? Max what?
My name is Maxim Yagan.
Max Yagan. And he's gonna go out into the real world and ask a real girl to be his Valentine.
Oh, really?
Yeah, really. Explosion! And now, Maximus, we're gonna send you out to the wild so you can find yourself a date. But first, you need to complete the fit. The glasses. Out into the wild.
Hey, want to be my Valentine?
No, who wears sunglasses indoors?
Nah, you're right. Yeah. Okay. Yeah, these guys didn't really help me. I kind of wasted my money. I wouldn't recommend them. Back to Javi and Will.
You know, I really don't think those tips from Max really worked.
That's why we got some more tips and tricks from the boy Ryan Gigliotti for Valentine's Day.
Let's run it.
What's up, Valley? It's Ryan Gigliotti, and today we're coming at you with a tips and tricks for Valentine's Day. And we're gonna switch up the vibe a little bit. It's gonna be calm. It's a new era of tips and tricks. So, on to the first tip.
I just can't believe I'm single on Valentine's this year.
Hey, man. You shouldn't let you being single dictate whether you're happy on Valentine's Day or not. Valentine's Day celebrates all types of love, platonic, family, not just, partnerships. So just spread love to everyone, everybody you care about, and you'll feel happy. For the second tip, you should decorate your... Oh shoot, stop. I need a new vinyl. Be right back. Okay, Divine Feminine. So yeah, for your second tip, you should decorate your house for Valentine's Day. It could really be any small or big thing, your house or just your room, or like I said, anything small. So Valentine's Day. On to the next tip. For the third tip, you should buy someone you love candy. It could be from, it could be from Blow Pops, Tootsie Rolls, Junior Mints, Kit Kats, but I would, preferably get something, they love. So, yeah. On to the next tip. For the fourth tip, practice self-love, It's not every day you get to do something nice for yourself, so, go buy something you always wanted. You could paint your nails, just splurge on yourself.
I got my nails painted some fun, festive Valentine's color.
On to the next one. For the fifth and final tip, if applicable, this shouldn't be the only day that you show love to your significant other or partner. This holiday celebrates it, but really, you should show love 24/7, do as much as you can. And yeah, just show as much love, spread love. This is the end of this segment, so thank you for watching, and back to Avi and Will.
Those tips were actually really helpful.
Yeah, I think they were a lot better than Brad and Chad's. But anyways, we're gonna move on to our next segment. Anna and Ava's answers to everything as they tackle a new problem, promposals. Let's see what you got, guys.
Valentine's is tomorrow, man. Clock's ticking.
I know, everyone has a boyfriend at Valentine tonight.
We're rolling.
Oh. What's up, Valley?
Hi, everyone. Valentine's is tomorrow and prom season's right around the corner. Say, Anna, have you asked someone to prom yet?
Well, I haven't. I mean, I didn't even know, how to do something like that. I bet a lot of people don't know how to ask someone to prom.
We should probably teach them.
What's up, Valley? Welcome to a brand new episode of Anna and Ava's Answers to Everything.
Because we have the answers to everything.
On today's episode, we're gonna teach you all how to make the perfect promposal.
Let's go. Step 1, set up the joke.
The perfect promposal comes with the perfect hook to catch the attention of your date.
Step 2, drop the punchline.
Make sure that you actually say the words prom so that there's no confusion.
Step 3, decorations.
The prettier your poster, the more likely they are to say yes.
To prove that our poster works, we sent our friend Max out to secure his date for the junior prom.
Let's go see how he did.
All right, PV. Maybe getting a Valentine wasn't for me, it wasn't my destiny, but a prom date definitely is. We're gonna test this out right now. Let's go. Mr. Sherman, will you be my date to the prom? Right here. Will you tune in to PV, Prom, Pvtv, the P niggas do Rom with me, and we'll be my prom date.
I'm busy.
Feel like dance for a Rom, but
I'm busy.
Oh.
Yeah. Sorry. Maybe.
Now you're right.
Maybe next year.
Yeah. Oh, that's cool.
So it didn't exactly work out for Max, but it absolutely will for you.
And that's all for today's episode of Anna and Ava's Answers to Everything.
Because we have the answers to everything.
No, you don't, bro. Don't listen to that.
It's okay. We hope everyone has a happy Valentine's Day.
Back to Javi and Will.
Wow, Max, you're really 0 for 2.
Yeah, it really sucks for him. But anyways, that's gonna wrap up this Valentine's Day special. Thank you for everyone who watched. Make sure to like and subscribe. Have a great weekend, Valley.